Welcome viewers, in this video we'll see the solved example of Karnaugh map, simplifying the Boolean expression using K-map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic. Reduce the following 4 variable function to its minimum sum of product form. It is available in SOP form. 4 variables are available. We have to reduce the expression. Reduce this expression using the K-map. The given function y equal to a bar, b bar, c d bar plus a b c d bar plus a b bar c d bar plus a b bar c d plus a b bar c bar d bar plus a b c bar d bar plus a bar b bar c d plus a bar b bar c bar d bar. Right, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, there are 8 terms are available. Right, it is with the 4 variables a b c d, 8 terms with the 4 variables are available. Now we need to plot the K-map for these 8 functions, then we need to reduce the given expression. Right, first we will see we'll plot the 8 variable K-map. So there are 4 variables available a b c d. Right, a, B, C, D, 4 variables are there. A, B is plotted in vertical manner. C, D is plotted in horizontal manner. Right. So the A, B 2 variable having 4 combination A bar, B bar, A bar, B, A, B, A, B bar. Similarly, C, D 2 variable. So 4 combination C bar, D bar, C bar, D, C, D, C, D bar. Right. So what is the first cell? First cell is nothing but A bar, B bar, then C bar, D bar. What is the second cell? A bar, B bar, then C, D bar. You have to combine these corresponding cells. Now we'll plot the given terms are plotted in K-map. A bar, B bar, C, D bar. First we'll see where is A bar, B bar. So this is A bar, B bar. Then where it is C, D bar, C, D bar available here. This is C, D bar. Right. So this is nothing but the first term. A, B bar, C, D bar. Right, so term 1. Then A, B, C, D bar. First we'll see where is A, B. So this is A, B available here. Then where is C, D bar? Again C, D bar available here. This C, D bar. Right, A, B, C, D bar. So this is the second term. Right. Then third term A, B bar, C, D bar. First we'll see where is A, B bar. This is a A, B bar. Then where is C, D bar? C, D bar available here. Right. So A, B bar, then C, D bar. This is the third term. Right. Then where is the fourth term? A, B bar, C, D. Where is A, B bar? A, B bar available here. Where is C, D? C, D available here. Right. So A, B bar, then C, D. So this is the fifth term. Right. I will go to the sixth term. 1 2 3 4. This is the fourth term. Right. We'll go to the fifth term. A, B bar, C bar, D bar. A, B bar. Where is A, B bar? This is a B bar. Where is C, D bar? C, D bar is available here. So A, B bar, C, D bar. This is the fifth term. A, B bar, C, D bar. Then sixth term. A, B, C bar, D bar. Where is A, B? A, B available here. Where is C, D? C, D available here. Right. So A, B, C, D. C bar, D bar, not C, D. A, B, C bar, D bar. This is available. So this is the sixth term. A, B, C bar, D bar. Then seventh term is A bar, B bar, C, D. Where is A bar, B bar? This is A bar, B bar. Where is C, D? C, D available here. So A bar, B bar, C, D. Right. This is the seventh term. Right. Last one is A bar, B bar, C bar, D bar. Where is A bar, B bar? This is A bar, B bar. This is C bar, D bar. So A bar, B bar, C bar. This is the eighth term. Right. Now all the terms are covered. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. All 4 terms are covered together. Now we need to group the cells. See this, here 2 ones are available. Here 2 ones, here 2 ones are, 3 ones are available. Here 2 ones are available. This one is available individually. There is no possibility of any grouping. So first we need to concentrate this one. Right. Here 2 ones are available. Here 3 ones are available. Here 2 ones are available. So we can, there is a possibility of grouping. But for this one, it is available individually alone. So first we need to concentrate this one. How to group this one? See, this all 4 corners are available with 1. So we can combine these 4 corners so that we can group this one, right? This one is covered with all 4 corners. This red color is nothing but the grouping of all 4 corner ones, right? Now for this we will see what is the expression, right? So this one, this row is covered and this row also covered. First row and fourth row. What is available in first row? A bar, B bar. What is available in fourth row? A, B bar, right? See this A bar and A got cancelled. Only we have B bar, right? Similarly, this first column and fourth column is covered because these 2 cells are combined. These 2 cells are combined. So we have to refer first and fourth column. What is available here? C bar, D bar. Here C, D bar. So the C and C bar got cancelled. Only we have D bar, right? So combining these 4 corners, finally what we got? B bar, D bar. Combining of these 4 corners, right? What is the next grouping? We can group this bottom 2 cells and top 2 cells. This bottom and top, these 2 cells and these 2 cells, right? Top 2 cells and bottom 2 cells, so that we can cover these ones. So while combining these two, we have to refer again this first row and fourth row. This first row and fourth row. So while referring first row, what is available here? A bar, B bar. Fourth row, A, B bar. So A and A bar got cancelled. Only we have B bar. This B bar is available. So while referring this vertical, these 2 cells we have to combine because these 2 are combined together. These 2 are combined together. So we have to refer these 2 terms, C, D bar and C, CD and CD bar. So the D bar got cancelled. Only we have term C. So that is C. So this is due to corner cell. This is due to this top and bottom, B bar, C, right? While combining these 4. Now this cell is covered, these 2 cells covered, these 2 cells covered, this also covered. But this is not covered. This is also not covered. So we can combine these 4 cells, leftmost and rightmost, left 2 cells and right 2 cells, so that this one and this one also will be covered, right? So this blue color is the third group, combining right and leftmost corner of 2 ones, right? So while combining these 2, we have to refer these 2 terms, AB, AB bar. So this B bar got cancelled. Only we have A. Similarly, this vertical manner, we have to refer this term and this term, first and last term. C bar, D bar, here C, D bar. So this C bar got cancelled. Only we have D bar. So A, D bar. This is due to combining of right and leftmost ones, right? So now we got the final expression. This is due to grouping of cornering ones. This is due to grouping of this top and bottom, green color. This is due to the grouping of left and rightmost, blue color. So final expression is B bar, D bar plus A, D bar plus B bar, C, right? So the given expression is now simplified into by using the K map, it is simplified. So in this example, we discussed how to simplify the SOP form of given Boolean function using K map. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. Link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.